Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 Aston Martin DB11. This is the V8 model, and it's just absolutely amazing. This thing is sensational to drive, and it definitely turns a lot of heads. Actually, more so than the Roma that I drove a little while ago. See if the window sticker anywhere in here. I can't seem to find it, and I'm not gonna go searching for it, but all right. Hop inside. What a place to be. All Alcantara up top. This thing is drop dead gorgeous. I don't know why the sticker isn't in it, but some of the best feeling sun visors out there. Put it in gear. Show you the reversing camera as well. Go ahead, put it into drive. We're in Sport Plus mode. Have the window down for right now, but it just sounds it just sounds so phenomenal. I mean, this thing, if I'm gonna compare it to the Roma, I would have this, honestly. Ride comfort, I can change, go into Sport Plus mode on the suspension. That's a little bit of a harsher ride. That's what the Roma is like from the get-go. But I can go ahead, put it into bumpy GT mode. Keep in mind, as you're driving, you are well aware of the value. That's something that's not escaped my mind, is how much this thing's worth, which I think it's right around $250, $260. And now we're at a stoplight. It's pretty insane that I get to drive stuff like this. I mean, it still blows my mind to this second that I'm driving this car. I can't process it. This is a car that so many people dream about driving, and I get to drive one. Like, ugh. Have the nice ventilated seats on. This is sensational. What would be even better is if the light turned green. Oh, I would have died. What a machine. Go ahead and put it into non-manual mode. Oh my goodness. Can I just say that's the second time I almost got hit? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one.